The picking pattern I'm using for this song is a 4/4 picking pattern. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the chord of G major. It's in the key of G, and we pick, first of all we pick the root note or bass note with our thumb in the key of G. That's the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then we pick the 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, and that's constant right throughout, 2nd, 3rd, 1st. So we pick bass, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, bass, 2nd, 3rd, 1st. No matter which chord we play, if we play C, we're going to pick the 5th string because that's the root note, 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 1st. Now we alternate the bass for the second half of the bar. For example, when we're playing the chord G major, the thumb first of all starts off on the 6th string like we saw, 1 and 2 and, then we alternate the bass with the thumb now picks the 4th string, 3 and 4 and, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If we were playing C major, similarly we pick 5th string, 5th, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, alternate with the 4th, 4th. So the thumb alternates between the 5th string and the 4th string. For A minor, for this song, same, 5th, 4th with the thumb. And the other chord in the song is D major, and the root note is the 4th string. This time we alternate with the 5th.